All right, what's up? Welcome back to Twisted Rod Garage. I did one of these videos once before. I'm going to do another one. You can see these headlights are pretty cloudy, and I'm going to show you a way that you can do them yourself without going out and buying a kit for it. If you're a car guy and you got a high-speed buffer, you just take some 1000 grit sandpaper, some water. I'm going to wet sand both of these headlights. I'm going to wipe it off, and then I'm going to hit it with a buffer and some polish, and I'm going to show you the finished results on both of these. And just a little tip, when you're wet sanding, it won't matter so much with these headlights, but if you are wet sanding paint, the key is to not go like this with the sandpaper, because you'll see finger marks in what you're sanding in your work. So if you cut sideways like this with your hand, you won't get that effect. Also, obviously I got the hood off of this car. You don't want to accidentally sand the paint, so you should get some masking tape, 2-inch masking tape, and tape off any painted surfaces so you don't hit the car with the sandpaper. Doing this in real time. I'm not going to break away so you can see exactly how long it takes. Not very long. They're going to look cloudy. They're going to look worse probably when you dry them off. But that's because you just sanded the surface, but you really just knocked off all the oxidation. So once we hit this with the high-speed buffer, they're going to look amazing. Okay, so just some regular polish from the store. The camera did stop and start back up. It's not because I'm trying to fool you in how long it takes to do this. I just went to go get my buffer. So just put a little bit of wax on here, polish I mean. You could use wax too if you already have it. Mat this stuff in like this with the pad so you don't sling it all over the place at first. Check that out. It looks like a new headlight. And you could throw a coat of wax over this and let it sit there and then wipe it off when you're done to protect it a little bit. Wow, look at that headlight. That was a pretty good one. Yep, there you go. And you can get a variable speed buffer. This is just a buffer that was given to me. It's only got one speed, so I don't use it very often because you can damage paint with it. But you can get variable speed ones. So there you have it. They look amazing. Also, just want to make it clear in case you didn't see when I was doing this, these can spin kind of fast. So if it catches an edge, it's going to kick that buffer. It could come back, hit you in the face, or break a piece of plastic off the car. So be careful when you're using this towards the edges of the headlight, getting close to the body. So just leave a like if you would, and subscribe, definitely be appreciated. And see you on the next video.